Wait, before we start, just imagine this. You land in the USA for the first time. Everything is new, people are speaking fast English, and suddenly someone asks you a question. What would you say? Today's conversation will help you handle that situation confidently. So don't skip this video because by the end, you will learn real English that people actually use in the USA. Let's start. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about your first trip to the USA. I am really excited. So tell me, when did you go?
I went last year, and honestly, I was a bit nervous at first.
Nervous? Why?
Because it was my first international trip. New country, new people, different culture, everything felt unknown.
That makes sense. So what was your first impression when you landed?
Everything looked so organized. The airport was huge, clean, and people were very polite.
Did you face any difficulty at the airport?
A little bit. The immigration officer asked me a few questions, and I was a bit nervous, but I answered calmly.
What kind of questions?
He asked about the purpose of my visit and how long I would stay. Simple questions, but I was still nervous.
That's normal. So after the airport, what did you notice in the city?
Everything was quiet and clean. People follow rules properly, and there was no unnecessary noise.
What about the roads?
The roads were wide and smooth. Traffic discipline was very impressive.
Did you try any American food?
Yes, I tried burgers, pizza, and coffee. The taste was different from India.
Different how?
Less spicy and more cheesy. At first, I didn't like it much, but slowly I started enjoying it.
Did you miss Indian food?
Yes, a lot. After a few days, I really missed spicy food.
How were the people there?
People were friendly, but they value personal space. They don't interfere in others' lives.
Did you make any friends?
Yes, I met some very helpful and kind people.
Were you comfortable speaking in English?
At first, I was nervous, but slowly I became more comfortable.
What did you do after reaching your place?
I took some rest and then went out for a walk to explore the area.
How was that experience?
It felt amazing. Clean streets, peaceful environment, and everything looked modern.
Did you face any communication problems?
Yes, sometimes people spoke very fast, and I had to ask them to repeat.
What did you say when you didn't understand?
I said, "Sorry, could you please repeat that?"
That's a very useful sentence. Did people judge your English?
No, not at all. People were very understanding.
So confidence matters more than perfection.
Yes, confidence is more important than perfect grammar.
What about transportation there?
I mostly used Uber and sometimes public transport. Everything was very systematic.
Was it expensive?
Yes, a little expensive compared to India, but very comfortable.
Did you ever feel lost?
Yes, one time I took the wrong bus and got confused.
What did you do then?
I asked someone for help and they guided me politely.
That's good. What about shopping?
Shopping was fun. Malls were big and well organized.
Did you buy anything?
Yes, I bought some clothes and gadgets, but I controlled my budget.
Cash or card?
Mostly card. Very few people use cash.
What about the weather?
Weather changed quickly, sometimes sunny, sometimes cold.
Was it hard to adjust?
Yes, at first yes, but later I got used to it.
Did you visit any famous places?
Yes, I visited some beautiful places. Everything looked like a movie scene.
How did you feel at that moment?
I felt very happy and proud. It was like a dream come true.
Did you take photos?
Yes, I took many photos and videos.
Did you feel lonely?
Sometimes, yes, I missed my family and friends.
How did you handle that?
I called them and stayed connected.
What is the biggest difference you noticed?
People value time a lot. Everything is on schedule.
Any funny moments?
Yes, I once said something wrong in English and people laughed. It was funny.
That's okay. Mistakes help us learn.
Yes, absolutely.
So overall, how was your experience?
It was life-changing. I learned confidence and independence.
One final advice for learners.
Practice daily, speak without fear, and don't worry about mistakes.
Let's quickly revise some useful sentences.
I was a bit nervous at first. Could you please repeat that? I didn't understand. Can you say that again? I really enjoyed the experience.
Practice these sentences daily to improve your English. Before you go, I have a question for you. If you get a chance to visit the USA, what is the first thing you would do? A. Try American food. B. Explore famous places. C. Make new friends. D. Enjoy the lifestyle. Comment your answer below. I read every comment.
And also tell us, are you confident speaking English right now, or are you still learning?
Don't worry, just start. Practice daily and you will improve faster than you think. Like, share, and subscribe for more real English conversations.